Infinite trading method part 24, right? So we have our RSI, relative strength index, and we have our commodity channel index. That's a tongue twister. Both set to default. We wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade, right? We're trading only EUR/USD. Profits are currently 93%. Market movement is currently 65% session change, which is an absolutely beautiful thing. All right, we do 2, 4, 9, 19. If 2 loses, we do 4, 9, 9 and 1, and 9, 4 and 2. That's 15. And here you see we make back $2.71. So yeah. So here we buy because both indicators are above their respective halfway points. So we buy for $2 and we go up to 4 and we wait. It's a patience game, right? So this is how you trade. This is the only trading method you'll ever need to become wealthy, my boy. This is the path to wealth. And I'm your guide to that wealthy path, right? So even though this trade loses, it doesn't really phase us because we have 4 and 4 gives you back $3.73, 373, which is $1.73 profits, which is a very good thing. It's the most beautiful thing on the planet, right? So all we have to do now is wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade. We make trades if it's under the halfway points, we sell. If it's over the halfway points, we buy. Simply put, right? So we're using 249. We're using this. So you only use this if it loses. So whichever one loses, you follow up with the other corresponding numbers. So if 2 loses, you do 4. If 4 loses, 9, and so on and so forth. We only go up if you lose. When you win, you go back down to your original 2. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that amazing? Isn't that wonderful? Right, so you see that we won. We made back our $2 plus $1.73 profits, and that was in a matter of 2 minutes. So we would stop trading at 10 minutes from now would be 50. That would be 11 o'clock, wouldn't it? Yeah, it would. So here, because both indicators are under their respective halfway points, here and here, 0 and 50, we sell and we move up to 4 and we wait. Infinite trading method, infinite money, infinite everything. What I'm doing right now, I'm switching my playlist, my soundtrack, to videotape and then loop this. So that trade just lost, which is also okay. Alright, so I like that song more. Alright. So we're waiting here 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and we buy for 4 because both indicators are above their respective halfway points. We buy, and if 4 loses, we do 9. I wonder if I loop that song. Yeah, the loop is on, right? Yeah, you can do that with YouTube, by the way. You can loop your music. So you have the same thing playing in your ears over and over and over again. Right? Oh, oh. So 4 lost, which is an absolutely beautiful thing. That 4 lost, we enjoy the losses because in life and with life, it's in the losing where we get better. With anything you want to do and anything you want to become, you're going to lose first. You're going to lose, absolutely lose everything. You're going to lose as much times as possible before you win. So here, as you can see, our both indicators are still above the halfway point. So we buy for 9, and if 9 loses, we do 19. Which I doubt 9 would lose because, let me show you this on 1 minute. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. Back down to 5 seconds, and we wait patiently. So yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This trader here is number 5 on the list. Let's go. And we go down to 2 and we wait. Balance is necessary. So here we sell for 2 and we move up to 4 and we wait. Patience, 1 trade at a time. Which ultimately 2 already seems as if it's going to win. Right, and yeah, 4 and 2 is 6 and $2.39 profits is very good. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely exciting, and absolutely amazing this life is. This is life for you. Right? Life is beautiful. So yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. This trade shall be number 7. So we sell here for 2. And we go up to 4 and we wait. Right. So all I'm doing, not much technical analysis, just RSI, CTI, above the halfway point, you buy. Under the halfway point, you sell. You lose, you go higher. You win, you go back down to your initial amount, which is $2. And yeah, the only person stopping you from utilizing this trading method is yourself. This is the binary option trading fix. I solve binary options. My name is Shamoy Foy. And this is your binary options trading solve, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. So yeah. Yeah. We sell here for 4. And we up to 9 and we wait. Oh. Yes, sir. And the method still works. And it would still continue to work over long extended periods. Alright, there's nothing stopping this method. So you go back down to 2. And yeah, I have an Apple stock running. I should probably buy some more stocks and see what they do, you know. But yeah, I have an Apple stock running. So yeah. So here we buy for $2. Well, it's going down. But I already bought, so that's okay. And we up to 4 and we wait. How do you underestimate me, bro? Like, come on, fam. I'm the one who solves the markets, not you. Oh, I guess the buy was a good thing. So we bought and it's going up. And that is absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So gorge. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more Yonkai. She probably done French or Japanese. Yonkai. Yonkai means one more, I believe. So we wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline and then we buy. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Archie is going to die. Annie, 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 Annie. So it's okay if this trade loses. We just go to 4 and we wait. It's a patience game. And that's a dub. So like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? This is Infinite Trading Method, part 24. And yeah, we love it. We love it. We absolutely love it. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like. Do all the above. Infinite Trading Method. This has been your host, Shamoy. GG.